Hola, queridos estudiantes. Miss Bass with your new video with your instructions for today. I am doing it from the student view so you can see how your page looks like. And I am going to click on this one because it's already done and it has everything. And here it is. First thing you're going to do, you're going to report your attendance. You're going to click there. Yours is in English. So you're going to click right here. And right now I would recommend to please pause your video, open the form, and go ahead and fill the form. Once you have your form filled, let's move on. Here's the instruction video. That's where you're going to find the video that I'm recording right now. And here is the instructions on what to do about the 21 countries. You need to contact me so I can give you your assigned country. And here is what you have to do. And I gave you an example on what to do and how to do it. So let's look at the example. Let's open it right here. Here's the example. I picked Colombia. Surprise! Yeah, for those who don't know, I am from Colombia. And this is what I'm expecting you to do. It's very simple and it's just something for you to learn something about a country. Spanish speaking country. So that's it. I know I'm going fast, but it's just your example. Plus you have the link there that you can use in case that you need to see it yourself. Now, right here, and I just did it, but I'm gonna pause this a minute. I just wanted to show you, I changed the share settings so I could show you what I want you to do. When you do your presentation, when you create your presentation, you're going to show your presentation at private only me, to only me. That's how it's going to show. You're going to click right there and you're going to go here. It says change link to Union County Public Schools. When you click here, it's going to change in the way that I am going to be able to see it, and anyone who has the link in Union County Public Schools can see it. So that's what I'm going to do. It's already changed, but you see it's check Union County Public Schools. You need to be sure that that happens, and then you click done. I'm going to go back there because some of you put my name here. Please do not do that because I receive a notification in my email and then I have hundreds of emails, and I'm not going to check this in my email. I'm going to check it on Canvas because that's what I requested. Okay. All right. So let's say that you finish your presentation, you change your share settings. Now you're going to copy your URL, and then you're going to go back to the assignment. Right here, there is a green button here that says submit assignment. Click on that. And then right here where it says website URL, you see it took you automatically, it took you down there to this box. You're going to paste your URL right there. And then you're going to click submit assignment. And that way I receive it. And I'm going to have it in the place that I want it. If you have any questions, let's go to your, let's leave the student view. If you have any questions, please contact me by email. I put that in the directions and instructions. Let's see this. I want you to see that I put these frequent asked questions in your Canvas page. So you're gonna have short brief videos of things that you need to know. So if you have any, like I'm receiving questions, I'm answering questions all day, so I just got the most common ones and I have made short videos so you can see how to do it. But if you still have questions and you still need me to help you, please, we're going to be connected during the time of the class. Just connect with us. I'm going to send you the link prior to the class. Connect with us, and I'll answer the questions during the class. I think that's it for now. Enjoy your project. I'll see you.